Yo, what's up everybody? In this video right here, I have 5 budget fragrances that you can probably pick up all at the same time if you can find them at the same place. So stay tuned. Yo, what's up everybody? Bobby here and welcome to the Twilley'S 2 Cents channel. And please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell because now you will be alerted when I get to upload new content for you guys, and your support is always appreciated. So let's hop into the video. Welcome back to the video. So we're gonna keep this one right here short and sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and name these fragrances off, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're gonna start it off with Montblanc, and that is Starwalker Extreme. Some standout notes that you can find in this fragrance are mandarin orange, apple, and tonka bean. This fragrance right here is very fruity, it's bold. This may be the one fragrance that's on the list that you don't have to spray multiple times because it has a bit of kick behind it. I would kind of say this is a party goer scent because it has, you know, kind of that candy type sweetness to it. Although this is very fruity, to me it's among the sweetness of a, you know, Versace Eros in my opinion. So this would definitely be one to grab attention, you know, when you're out partying, you know, trying to stand out amongst the crowd. Next fragrance, we are going to spray about 30 to 35 times, and it's coming from English Laundry, and that is Riviera. With Riviera, you have some standout notes of ylang ylang, which kind of gives off that banana type smell. You got some patchouli, sandalwood, mandarin orange in this as well, and some black pepper to give it some spice. This fragrance is aromatic spicy. I would say that this one right here could be one of your everyday go-to scents. It's gonna keep you fresh. You got, like I said, you're gonna get a bit of a spice with this one. So you can probably throw on a collar shirt as well. But just a little secret, what I like to do with this one right here is that I like to layer this one right here with YSL's Blue Electrique. They, you know, kind of have a similar scent profile to my nose, and man, just adding this with that just creates a whole different experience. I know a lot of people don't like to layer fragrances, but I don't care. If you do something and it smells good, go with it. Next fragrance up on the list is coming from Lacoste. That is L1212 White. With L1212 White, you're definitely gonna get some grapefruit up top, a bit of earthiness from some rosemary, and probably like got some tuberose, and you got some cedar that's in this one. So this one right here is kind of a well balance of, you know, a tart fruitiness from the grapefruit, a little dry woodiness from the cedar, and you know that rosemary and that tuberose, keeping this thing all the way fresh. Something that's gonna sparkle in the springtime, gonna keep you fresh, gonna keep you uplifted. You know, can wear this with anything too. You know, simple. Keep it plain and simple. Next fragrance. This next fragrance up on the list is coming from Bahama, and that is Very Cool. The main thing that you need to think about when you think about this one right here, the main notes in this one are going to be some bergamot, ginger, and vetiver. This is what they call a woody aquatic fragrance. This is very fresh and uplifting as well, mostly due to that ginger. It kind of gives you a fresh spiciness. I would say that this one right here, the notes that's in this kind of create a cohesiveness. So just imagine a bowl of bergamot fruit, ginger, and some vetiver. Mesh all that stuff up, and that's exactly the smell that you get from this one. Something that's going to have you feeling very cool in the summer and springtime. Check it out. Go heavy on the sprays. Last fragrance up on the list is coming from Bahama again, and that is St. Barts. With St. Barts, is all about that lime and tequila that you get in the opening spray, and basically the whole experience of wearing this fragrance. You got some C notes, some palm leaves. Those are some of the things that stick out in this fragrance. This is a citrus aromatic, and to me, this kind of transports you to that, you know, beach scenery. This fragrance is very juicy to my nostrils due to that lime, which is, you know, almost to me like a realistic or photorealistic type of lime smell. Since I'm not going to the beach that much here in Tennessee because we really don't have beaches here, you know, I like to put this one on straight out the shower, you know, and kind of like put myself in that experience, kind of put myself in a different state. This is good for that. So there you have it. Quick recap of all these, you know, inexpensive gems that you can go out and find at your local, you know, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington, places like that. You should be able to find these. We had Montblanc, Starwalker Extreme, English Laundry, Riviera, Lacoste, L1212 White, Tommy Bahama Very Cool, and Tommy Bahama St. Barts. So there you go, 5 budget fragrances that you can go out, cop, put it in your collection, and enjoy. Comment below, let me know that you already have some of these, or you would like to experience some of these. Share some thoughts, and I'll catch you guys in this video. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video also, leave me a like or dislike, drop some comments, you know, stuff like that. And also, check out one of these videos.